Hey there, travel bugs! Welcome to our channel where we talk about all things travel, from budget travel to luxury travel and everything in between. Welcome, fellow travel enthusiast. In today's video, I'm going to introduce you to what you can expect to find on our channel. First things first, if you're all about exploring the world without breaking the bank, then you're going to love our budget travel tips and destination guides. We're all about finding the best deals, the most affordable ways to travel, and sharing our secrets to help you save money while still having an amazing time. But, if you're more of a luxury traveler, don't worry, we've got you covered too. We'll be sharing our experiences with high-end hotels, exclusive tours, and luxurious experiences that will leave you feeling pampered and spoiled. And, if you're just looking for some travel inspiration, we've got you covered there too. We'll be sharing our favorite travel destinations, hidden gems, and off-the-beaten-path locations that will leave you itching to pack your bags and hit the road. But that's not all. We'll also be sharing our travel tips and tricks, such as packing hacks, travel apps, and how to stay safe and healthy while on the road. So whether you're a seasoned traveler or just getting started, there's something for everyone on this channel. Now, let's get into the details. When it comes to budget travel, we're all about finding the best deals. From budget-friendly destinations to affordable accommodation options, we'll be sharing our tips and tricks to help you travel more for less. Some of our favorite budget-friendly destinations include Southeast Asia, Eastern Europe, and Latin America. Not only are these destinations incredibly affordable, but they also offer incredible cultural experiences, stunning scenery, and delicious food. And when it comes to accommodation, we're all about hostels and homestays. Not only are they affordable, but they're also a great way to meet other travelers and get a more authentic experience. If you're looking to splurge on your next trip, then you'll want to check out our luxury travel videos. From high-end hotels to private tours, we'll be sharing our experiences with some of the most luxurious travel experiences out there. Some of our favorite luxury destinations include the Maldives, Bali, and Dubai. These destinations offer the ultimate in relaxation and pampering, with stunning accommodations, world-class cuisine, and breathtaking scenery. And if you're looking for a unique and exclusive experience, be sure to check out our videos on private tours and experiences. From private helicopter tours to exclusive access to VIP events, we'll be sharing our experiences with some of the most luxurious travel experiences out there. No matter what your travel style or budget, everyone can benefit from some travel tips and tricks. From packing hacks to safety tips, we'll be sharing our best travel advice to help make your next trip even better. One of our favorite travel tips is to always pack a reusable water bottle. Not only is it better for the environment, but it also saves you money on buying bottled water while traveling. And when it comes to packing, we always recommend packing light and choosing versatile clothing items that can be worn in multiple ways. And of course, we can't forget about travel inspiration. From the most stunning natural wonders to the most incredible man-made creations, we'll be sharing our favorite travel destinations and experiences. Some of our favorite travel destinations include the Great Barrier Reef in Australia, Machu Picchu in Peru, and the Northern Lights in Iceland. These destinations offer some of the most breathtaking scenery and unique experiences in the world. Thanks for joining us on this journey through our channel. Whether you're a budget traveler, luxury seeker, or just looking for some travel inspiration, we hope you found something that piqued your interest. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. And if you have any travel questions or suggestions for future videos, leave them in the comments below. Remember, life is too short to not explore the world around us, and we're here to help you make the most of every adventure. So, pack your bags, grab your passport, and let's go on a journey together. See you in the next video.